there's Avs, direct Kremling now.
November 2 Quebec, descend and maintain, follow 270.
Down to flight level 270 on 2 Quebec.
270.
November 2 Quebec, cross Kremling at or above 14,000, cleared LDA, DME approach.
Cross Kremling at or above 14,000, cleared for the LDA DME approach for 2 Quebec.
Number 2 Quebec, Eagle altimeter 3002.
3002 for 2 Quebec.
American 1604, safe ride conditions in your descent.
It's been smooth the whole way. We haven't had any icing, although it looks like we'll start picking up some light rime here about Boaxa.
Sky with 5839, safe ride conditions.
Smooth, but we're at 260 now.
Denver State United 528 with you 270.
United 528, Denver Center. Center maintain, flight level 240, advise information hotel.
We get hotel down 240, United 528.
Departure, good morning, Beach 300, Romeo Charlie's out of 10 for 15, 15,000.
One to go.
300, Romeo Charlie, Denver Center, radar contact, higher shoreline.
Looks like a rain shower right there around Boaxa.
Departure, Beach 300, Romeo Charlie's out of 10-8 for 15,000.
November 300, Romeo Charlie, Denver Center, radar contact, higher shortly, how do you hear?
I hear you loud and clear now, sir. Beach 300, Romeo Charlie.
30, Romeo Charlie, aircraft reporting light rime icing 14,000 to 10,000 on the approach into Eagle from the east.
Okay, thank you, Beach 300, Romeo Charlie.
Number 0, Romeo Charlie, you can also expect moderate turbulence, flight level 240 and below eastbound.
Roger, 300, Romeo Charlie.
Sky with 5839, do not exceed 250 knots, contact Aspen approach 123.8.
But approach do not exceed 250, guys, 5839. 13.8 after Kremling.
United 528, cross Kremling at or above 14,000.
Nope, not hardly worth going down.
Yeah, you're right.
Eagle altimeter 3002.
3002, cross Kremling at 14,000. We have hotels, United 528.
November 0, Romeo Charlie, clear direct Foxtrot Sierra Delta. After Foxtrot Sierra Delta, clear direct NC intersection for the NC2 arrival.
Sioux Falls and NC2, thank you, Beach 300, Romeo Charlie.
November 0, Romeo Charlie, slight amendment, clear direct Foxtrot Sierra Delta for the NC2 arrival.
Foxtrot Sierra Delta, NC2, Beach 300, Romeo Charlie.
November 2, Quebec. Pick of any icing on the approach?
2 Quebec, negative.
November 2, Quebec, roger. Contact Eagle Tower, 119.8.
19.8, good day, 2 Quebec.
And number 2 Quebec should be clear skies at 7 miles.
2 Quebec will be looking for them.
Okay, there goes Aguila. You can go down to 9,800 feet.
98?
As soon as we pass this cloud, we'll probably see.
I think you're right. Inside. Gear down, 4-lane check.
Gear
I
down.
got the lights.
And November 2 Quebec is watching.
Position 2 Quebec, runway 25, clear to land, wind 310 at 5.
Clear to land on runway 25, 2 Quebec.
Tower United 528 with you
Clear
on
land.
the localizer 25.
310 at 5.
528, Eagle Tower, report Washington.
Wing engine and tail are off.
What you want? Report.
Are you on the FMS or the ILS?
FMS.
I see
Okay, report bars for United 528.
Bars United 528.
Flaps, and you ought to go.
Flaps the land.
Flaps land.
All right, I'm on the VASI now.
You ought to go.
Disengaged. Speed brakes.